Our next guest, as Nick said, is George Markatatos, who is the CEO of Regate. Right before we jumped on air, George told me that his wife may be listening. I know she's a very busy mother, so I want to give her a special shout out from our team here. Hello, George's wife, if you're listening to us. George, I understand your company specializes in the mobile workforce on the move. What exactly is mobile workforce on the move, and how does Regate fit in?
All right. First of all, I would like to thank you for inviting me here. What we do is we try to mobilize the users of a company, the users that traditionally work outside the physical premises of a company, by giving them the tools on their smartphones, tablets, enterprise devices to get the information from the field and send it back to the company. So it's a two-way communication. Read data from the back office systems, like if they have SAP or Navision or JD Edwards or whatever ERP, even smaller custom ERPs. Gather all this information, put it on the mobile device, do the work on the field. So if it's a merchandiser, he's going to do a pricing, out of stock, stock out, and those kind of activities. If it's a field technician, probably some jobs and consume some parts and labor, and then send all this information back into the main system for reporting reasons.
Mm-hmm. Can you talk a little bit about the product that's driving all this? Is this a solution that's cloud-based? Does it have to be installed somewhere? How does that work?
All right. So the product name is BusyGate. It was conceived back in 2004, the Olympic era. So it was an Olympic spirit product. It has been redesigned last year due to the feedback we received from the Mobile World Congress. So what it is, it's a client-server architecture product that gives some information inside the company. This is the server module, and it has some clients that either work on native clients that work on Android devices, iPhones, on whatever device is available right now, and that serve the information to the mobile workers. It has been redesigned last year, mainly because the cloud era needs a product to be multi-tenant, multilingual. We are targeting the Middle Eastern markets, so our product is supporting Arabic with right-to-left text. And this is a gap that we're trying to fill, that other companies, even larger competitors than ours, are targeting those countries with a traditional English-speaking solution.
Mm-hmm. When you decided to go after this market, what drove your strategy? Was there a specific need for this market and the mobile workforce, or are you expanding beyond the Middle Eastern markets as well?
Okay. The need to move forward outside Greece and the Balkans, because we have a number of installations in Romania, Bulgaria, Cyprus, and mainly Greece. What we realized was that those markets are quite small and cannot help the company generate revenue for its shareholders. So the Middle Eastern market is a market that is well established. It has a number of gaps that can be filled by a Greek company. People in the Middle Eastern markets are very keen in doing jobs with Greek people and Greek companies. It's the rationale, it's the culture, I don't know. It's a mix that it's well defined, and it works very well together. And geographically, they are nearby. Mm-hmm. So in the worst case scenario of a support, you can have a person going back and forth or a team moving. But now with all the tools for support, for demonstration of the product, our cloud solution, as opposed to our on-premise solution, can help expand on those markets with very low cost.
Mm-hmm. You talked a little bit about redesigning of the product. Now it's been a year since the feedback that you had gotten from last year's show. What are you showcasing at this year?
Okay, this year we are demonstrating the new version of BusyGate, the HTML5 version of BusyGate. But mainly what we're trying to do with our team is to contact network operators and provide them our solution as a private label solution, actually, to incorporate in their portfolio of products that they give to their business customers. Mm-hmm. We had an extensive experience with Wind Greece, the telecom operator, where we deployed BusyGate as with a commercial name of Wind Sales. So what we did is we gave this product private label. They give it to end business companies as under a subscription-based scheme. It's a cloud product. It gets very easily connected to the ERP. So from agreement of Wind with a customer to deployment of the product, it takes approximately 3 days, and including training. And what we're trying to do is expand this product to other network operators or virtual network operators that would like to add to their portfolio of products, a new service, a service that can help them in 2 different ways. First of all is to give them something new and innovative to serve to their clients instead of voice and data or GPS systems. And secondly, to help them retain customers. What do I mean by client retention? Imagine that in order for BusyGate to be installed, it needs considerable amount of effort from the end customer as well from our team. And it takes training and demonstration of the product as well. So when the contract ends and let's say the Wind's competition comes and tries to offer a new product, the IT manager of the end company will think twice, because he'll say, okay, I need to do the ERP connectivity again. Mm-hmm. I have to remove the old application, install a new one.
It's then quite a lot of an investment and time and cost.
They have to do the same things all over again. And maybe in a year's time, another competitor will come. So generally, BusyGate helps client retention. The other thing is, and the most important part, is that in all markets you have some companies that are almost affiliated with network operators. So you see large companies in Greece, for example, that are affiliated with Vodafone. Mm-hmm. So it's very difficult for Wind to access those clients. But if you offer a product that is not available by Vodafone, then it's very easy to penetrate those customers, give them an added value service, and have a communication channel open so they can do some upselling, a cross-sell, and eventually remove Vodafone and enter, in this example, enter the client.
You touched upon some of those points, but in relation, you talked about competing telcos and mobile network operators. How does Regate differentiate itself from other competitors in the mobile workforce area?
Okay, so mainly the pricing. Mm-hmm. We have a product that is very versatile, is very quick, it's very stable. Imagine that we are a company of approximately 10 people supporting more than 4,000 users in the Greek and the Balkan market. We're part of a larger group and called Theodoro Group. And so the concept behind this is that we offer a better pricing. We offer a product that is branded to the end customer needs, so to the reseller or to the network operator. I'm sorry, Vicky. And what we're actually trying to offer is to give them a better price and a better support, 24/7 support, in order to win the competition.
Okay, great. That was George Markatatos, CEO of Regate. For more information on Regate, you can visit regate.gr or busygate.com. Did I say that correctly, George?
Yes, this is correct.
Or if you are at Mobile World Congress, please stop by the Greek National Pavilion, which is at Hall 8.1 and stand I-49.